Acer Predator Helios 300PH315-53-73RT gaming laptop. Thank you, ma'am Kimberly, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop for deep cleaning is a wise and practical decision that contributes to its overall performance. Reliability and longevity over time. Laptops accumulate dust, dirt, and debris within their internal components, particularly in the cooling system, vents, and fans. This buildup can block airflow, leading to overheating, which negatively impacts performance and may cause long-term damage to critical components like the processor, GPU, or motherboard. A professional deep cleaning ensures that all internal areas are thoroughly cleaned using specialized tools and techniques, restoring proper airflow and preventing thermal throttling. By keeping your laptop running at an optimal temperature, deep cleaning not only enhances its current performance, but also reduces the risk of hardware failure caused by heat stress. Additionally, regular deep cleaning helps to extend the lifespan of your laptop, delaying the need for costly repairs or premature replacement. It is a cost-effective and proactive measure to maintain your device's functionality, ensuring it continues to operate efficiently for years to come. Whether your laptop is showing signs of overheating, reduced performance, or simply needs maintenance, bringing it in for a deep cleaning is a valuable and smart investment. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.